Step inside to this beautiful house, where Gothic revival charm meets bold, modern design. With bespoke details, vintage finds, and rich textures throughout, every space tells a story, layered, personal, and unexpectedly timeless. Maddux Creative's Highgate House project exemplifies a masterful balance between historical reverence and contemporary flair, creating a home that is both distinctive and deeply personal. Set within a Grade II listed Gothic revival house in North London, the design reflects a seamless blend of the client's interests, travels, and collections, resulting in a richly layered and inviting interior. Every element has been carefully considered, from the architectural restoration to the bespoke furnishings and curated antiques. The aesthetic is defined by a bold yet thoughtful interplay of light, color, texture, and materiality, what the designers call a masterclass in distinctive detail. Antique pieces like an ornate ballet stand and a copper bath add gravitas and authenticity. Custom features, such as the Portofino marble-inlaid dining table and Blue Devil kitchen cabinets, anchor the spaces with personality and craftsmanship. Standout design moments include the conservatory's slender windows crowned with Gothic arches. Other highlights are a sitting room that harmonizes a rattan-backed bespoke sofa with vintage rattan pieces, and a dressing room that contrasts reclaimed wood ceilings with gold leaf cabinetry. Art plays a vital role, with highlights like a vintage wall hanging in the sitting room and murals framing the door to the turret, where a custom peacock hanging seat creates a whimsical retreat. Throughout the house, a poetic sensibility emerges, spaces that invite discovery while feeling cohesive and lived in. Outside, painted Gothic arch windows and decorative bargeboards enhance the pale Kentish ragstone facade, while a brick extension merges effortlessly with the original structure. Ultimately, Highgate House is a testament to Maddux Creative's ability to honor historical context while crafting a forward-looking, deeply expressive home. It's a singular blend of heritage, artistry, and modern design,